beautiful living plus dining area. This kitchen area will come up with the vitrified flooring, the spacious one, and this room can be used in a world of crowded apartment. What if you come home into your own villa? This is TVH Bay Villa by TVH Homes. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the sample villa tour of TVH Bay Villa by TVH Homes, which is located in Paddur, Chennai. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project. So let me show you the actual surrounding of our project. So here will be the main entrance of our TVH Bay Villa project. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here itself and the marketing office is in sight within. So let me show you the land parcel and the marketing office in detail. So the marketing office of our project is just behind me over here and the land parcel on my right hand side. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom read guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. And by the end of this video, you'll be knowing each and every single detail of this project, like why you should consider this project in your list and why not. So stay tuned until the end. Now let's start this video with project overview. And our project is spread across 6.3 acres of massive land consisting of 81 premium villas with each rising from ground plus 2 floor. Here this project offers you 4 BHK premium individual villas. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious curated 25 plus amenities like of you get a pond area inside your community surrounded with luxurious amenities like of yoga deck, meditation zone, gymnasium, kids play area, relaxology park and much more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Rajiv Gandhi Salai in Paddur, Chennai. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of our project. And right in front of me is the Rajiv Gandhi Salai road, and this road will connect you towards Kelambakkam and the opposite side road will take you towards Navalur. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity parts. So basically you can connect to Gateway School in 1.4 kilometers. Chetnath Hospital is 2.7 kilometers away. And DMart, that is just 3.8 kilometers away from our project. So now let's have a look at your 4 BHK plus home theatre villa of 3,865 square feet built up area, and this how your villa elevation will look like. Now which comes up with a front gardening yard, that is a private front gardening yard, and even 2-car parking facility, and the space is much more spacious over here where even after fitting up your 2 cars there will be enough space to move around and even for your 2-wheelers. Now here's the main entrance for our house, that is your villa. So this is the staircase which will lead you towards your main entrance and the living and dining space. So this main entrance you can have a look, and now let's enter towards your spacious and beautiful living plus dining area, which comes up with the Italian marble flooring and double heighted ceiling height. Now you can even have a look at the spacious and the beautiful interior work is done for your reference with the sofa set, the TV unit space. And now over this side is your dining space. The spacious and massive dining area where you can have a look, you can easily fit in your 8 to 10 seater of dining table in a horizontal way. Additionally, here we have a perfect window, a huge massive window which will open towards your gardening area and perfect for your ventilation and lighting in your living and dining space. Now once you turn around and have a look towards your living area, we have a huge window over here itself. So we have windows on both the sides and which will keep your living and dining area ventilated from both the sides. Now about your kitchen area. So exactly opposite to your dining area, we have a kitchen area which will come up with a platform, and even we have a breakfast counter set over here. We have a platforms with granite platform, and this kitchen area will come up with the vitrified flooring and the interior which you can have a look, which is done for your reference with the cabinets, all the white goods is set over and with beautiful cutleries as well. We have a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. Here's the utility space as well. with anti-skid flooring and even a sink area. Here there's an access which will take you towards your gardening, that is backyard. Now once you turn around, we have a provision for your machine inside over this side. Now let's explore the rest of the house. So moving over here, we have one bedroom on the ground floor. So right over here, we have a one bedroom, that is bedroom number 1. So once you walk inside, focusing upon the flooring, this is the vitrified flooring that comes up. Now, this room is actually much more spacious, and they have shown you by setting the king size bed over here, and there is ample of space to move around where you can set up the side tables as well. Additionally, here's a perfect window for ventilation and lighting purpose in the room, which will open towards your front garden. Now about your TV unit space, you can set up your work table, your TV unit, whatever you like over this side, and a huge wardrobe space where you can set up your dresser and even the wardrobe. Now once you step outside this room, we have a common washroom very near to your this room. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Over here, we have a niche area which can be used in a multi-purpose way, and even the storage area, which comes up with vitrified flooring again. They are offering you with a lift as well. So lift will be coming up in the center of the house over here, and even the staircase. So your staircase is right over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your floor number 1. So now we'll be taking the staircase and moving towards your floor number 1. So you can have a look at the staircase, which comes up with granite flooring. Here's the window as well for ventilation and lighting purpose. So now this is your floor number 1, which comes up with this family get-together area, that is your family lounge area, and you can have a look at the space where they have done the interior with the sofa set, the TV unit, and here they are offering a window, a massive window for your lighting and ventilation purpose. Now this floor even has 2 bedrooms, but before that let me show you, it is covered with this toughened glass railing. Now here's your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look at the flooring, which comes up with the vitrified flooring, and this is the spacious room which comes up with the ample of space to move around in the room. They have shown you by adding up this king size bed in the center of the room. Over here you can easily fit in your side tables. Additionally, we have a perfect window for ventilation and lighting purpose. TV unit space is offered exactly in front of your bed area, and here's a perfect balcony as well. This balcony comes up with anti-skid flooring and iron railing, so I can call it as a private balcony. Now once you turn around over here, we have a wardrobe space offered right over here. You can use the space in a multi-purpose way, set up your work table or whatever you like, because they have a walk-in wardrobe concept right this side. Perfect for storage. So once you enter this walk-in wardrobe area, you can have a look how spacious this area is. Comes up with a private washroom. So right over here is a private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, with a sink area inside the washroom itself to avoid the mess outside. Now let's explore the bedroom number 3. So on this floor, as mentioned, we have 2 bedrooms. So one is over here. So this is your bedroom number 3. Once you enter, you can have a look at the flooring. The uniqueness is the flooring, the wooden finishing, anti-skid flooring in this bedroom. And again, the similar bedroom size with ample of space, bed size. You can have a look at the huge bed size in center of the room with the side table where you can add up. And yes, again, they have a perfect balcony. So this is the balcony, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and toughened glass railing over here. You can enjoy a perfect view from this side. Once you step inside this bedroom again, we have a wardrobe space. Again, this space can be used in a multi-purpose way, and even a TV unit space, because again, here we have a walk-in closet area, that is a walk-in wardrobe. And here you can have a look at the wardrobe space, which is again much more spacious, and we have a window as well, a cross window for cross ventilation, and a private washroom area. So right over here is a private washroom, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now, once you step outside, the common washroom, yes, this floor comes up with a common washroom right over here. So here's the common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So again, we'll be taking the staircase to move further on floor number 2. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flat and sample villa tour, with payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. So all these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. What are you guys waiting for? Quickly register yourself on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit by registering for free. Now let's quickly climb up towards your floor number 2. So here's the staircase again. Now let's take the staircase and we'll be moving further towards your floor number 2. And this is a similar staircase with granite flooring. We have windows here, perfect for ventilation and lighting towards your staircase area. So now welcome to floor number 2. This floor has one last bedroom and a home theatre. And this how exactly the home theatre will look like. The spacious one, and this room can be used in a multi-purpose way. So you can have a look at the flooring. These are the anti-skid wooden finishing flooring. We have 2 windows which are perfect for lighting and ventilation in this room. And you can have a look at the space as well. So this was all about your home theatre. Now once you exit, we have the last bedroom to explore. That is your bedroom number 4. So this is your bedroom number 4. And you can have a look at the flooring. That is the vitrified flooring, and there is ample of space to move around inside the room with a bed space in the center of the room. And we have a perfect balcony. So here's the balcony, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and toughened glass railing. This is a private balcony for your room. Once you turn around, so here's the wardrobe space, the huge wardrobe space, and even the TV unit space. Now again, for storage and your wardrobe area, we have a walk-in closet. That is the walk-in wardrobe. And again, the similar one with a window for ventilation and lighting in this wardrobe area, and a private washroom area. So here's the private washroom area. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, with shower area which is divided by a tile rope. So now once you step outside this room, we have a storage room right over here. So this side is the storage area, where again they have offered you the provision for the machine as well. Now passing through your staircase and even the lift area, we have an open terrace space. So this is your private terrace area, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and half wall structure on all the 3 sides. So you can have a look and explore the city from here, and you can do your own things. You can have a house party, your get together, you can add up your bar counter, your sofa set, your breakfast table, or whatever you like. Additionally, we have one more terrace just upstairs over here, which is actually much more spacious than this one. Currently it is locked for some reason, so it's not possible to show you in this video, but this is all about your 4 BHK plus home theatre. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Paddu location. Have you checked another project in this location? Then again, drop down in the comment section. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.